Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an intro. So basically, hold up, no. Let me get where, well, basically guys, I hope you guys can see this, but you guys have to copy this. Pause the video if you guys want, pause the video if you want to have this, but and I had to go here, and then it pulls up this screen right here. So look, you do this, but I prefer you do this intro video so you get to see what the intro looks like in case you guys don't want it. But I don't know, I didn't try this yet, but this is the intro I had, so you guys can maybe steal it. But I offer you to go to intro video, and then we'll pop up these. And then it will pop up with other videos, and then after that you can customize it. But you have to enter your email and name, which I'm not going to be showing you. Wait. New video. Okay, so, but guys, I think you have to be careful, guys, because some intros will cost money, so but you know what? To be honest, I don't really remember how I got. But you have to enter your email. You guys can customize it when you get further into making a video. But I think you go to create now. Wait, is it? Oh, good. You go to create now, and then you can select an intro. But I got awesome intro. Legit. But, and there is also another thing you want to go. Somebody told me this in my comment section. On my yeah, it was it one. And you can also do this, guys. But he said these are supposed to be better intros, but I didn't get it from this, but guys, so guys, you can customize it, but this is, hold up, no, but guys, that one is easier for you to customize, but hold up, let me click here and see what one I got. So what happened to my old one? Did they get rid of it? Well, I still have it, but so yeah, you can customize it. But some of these are scams, so guys, you have to be really careful with one you pick and all that stuff. But I'm not gonna get a new one because I'm okay with the one I have. My intro is so lit. Hold on. So yeah. Guys, what game do you want me to play, by the way? if you guys want to, you guys can dislike the video because it's just a showing video. But I got so many hate comments on the I got so many hate comments on I'm deleting my Roblox account. That one. He put a sad story in Facebook and he said, "Me sad. I hate you." And then I replied, "Okay, listen, it was a joke, okay? I'm sorry." I got you guys good. I got you guys good, way good. No! Wow, it was a joke. No! 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 Why? No! He deleted it, Roblox account. I'm freaking out. Oh, God. So yeah. So wait, Jake Paul. What is it? But wait. Hold up. Pink. Wait, is it not Evil Twin? Please stop. Hi. J Paul, hi. You do realize this is actually my friend. He's, if you guys wondering. The famous Jake Paul is not, I never met him, he's not my friend. So, I will be grateful to make him be my friend. But guys, subscribe because guys, we are close to so yeah, I will put the intro things in the subscription below, so in case you guys want to get the intros. So yeah, you can do that. You guys can customize it as well. But guys, it only works until you have a YouTube channel. Because I don't know. LOL, no. Intro, why? LOL, the no intro, why? So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, definitely click that like button and subscribe. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!